Hi, in this video, we're going to read off the coordinates of a point that's either on the x-axis or the y-axis. Now let's remind us what we mean by x-axis and y-axis. This horizontal line labelled with x with these numbers on it, that's known as the x-axis. So this is the x-axis, that's the x-axis. And this vertical line with the numbers on it, labelled with y, is unsurprisingly known as the y-axis. So that's the y-axis. And we want to read off the coordinates of this point here. Now, remember how coordinates work. Coordinates, they have brackets like this with a comma in the middle. And the first number is known as the x-coordinate. So this is the x-coordinate. And the second number is known as the y-coordinate. And what these tell you is how far, if you start from this point here, where the two axes meet, this is known as the origin, by the way, we saw that in the previous video. It tells us if we start from the origin, to get to the point we want to get to, which is here, the first value tells you how far you need to move in the x direction. So in the x direction is kind of left and right. And the second number tells you how far you need to move in the y direction. You can see this is the y direction, so vertically up or down, right? So starting from this origin, let's do it actually a different color. Let's do it red. Starting from the origin, because origin means the starting point. To get to this point here, how far do I need to move in the x direction? This is the x direction, yep. Well, from the origin, I'm moving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've moved 6 in the x direction. So let's put a 6 as that first number, the x coordinate. And then the second number is how far you have to move in the y direction. So I moved 6 in the x direction. How far do I need to move in the y direction? The y direction is up, down. So from this point, I'm here at the moment. How far do I need to move up or down? Well, you don't need to move at all. I'm already in the right place. I'm already on the point. So we need to move 0 units in the y direction. So 0 vertically, nothing vertically at all. And so therefore, the y value, the y coordinate is going to be 0. So that is the final answer there. What about this one? We've got the point here this time. And this time the point is on the y-axis rather than the x-axis. So again, we want to work out what's the x-coordinate and what's the y-coordinate. So starting from the origin is here, where the two axes meet, where these two lines meet. Starting from the origin, how far do I need to move in the x direction? Well, you don't need to move at all because look, this point here is already directly above me. I don't want to move right or left at all because I'm already directly under this point. So the x value is 0. And then how far do you need to move in the y direction, in the y-axis? So I'm still at the origin, and I'm going to move 1, 2, 3 on the y-axis in the y direction. So therefore, that second value is going to be 3. The y-coordinate is 3.